Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet a butterfly. For this I am using 5mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. Make one more double crochet in the magic circle. Then chain 3. Make 2 double crochets in the magic circle. Chain 3. 2 double crochet in the magic circle. Chain 3. Continue to make 2 double crochets and chain 3 5 more times. Slip stitch in the chain 3. To start our second row, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the chain 3 space. Chain 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. Then make 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 5 and make 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. In the next chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 5 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. In the next chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 5 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. Continue like this all the way across. Slip stitch in the chain 3. Change the color. Cut the previous yarn. To start our third row, chain 1. In the chain 5 space, make 10 double crochets. Then make a single crochet in between these 2 stitches. In the next chain 5 space, make 10 double crochets. Make a single crochet in between these 2 stitches. Continue like this all the way across. Single crochet in between the last 2 stitches. Fold this in half. Make a slip stitch in the middle. chain 10, single crochet in the second chain, single crochet into each chain all the way across, slip stitch in the center, again chain 10, single crochet into each chain, slip stitch in the base, chain 1 and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.